Through the smoky rays, a heartbeat, slow, steady and strong. It's been with me all along. I tried to run, I tried to hide, but the rhythm pulls me inside. I can't let go, no, I can't let go. It's in my blood, it's in my soul. I can't let go, no, I can't let go. This love, it makes me whole. The wind whispers through the old palm trees, carrying secrets across the seas. A melody that calls my name. It's gentle, wild, never tame. I close my eyes, I hear the sound, a sacred force. It holds me bound. I can't let go, no, I can't let go. It's in my blood, it's in my soul. I can't let go, no, I can't let go. This love, it makes me whole. I can't let go, no, I can't let go. I can't let go, no, I can't let go. It makes me whole. I walk through clouds made of silver and gray, chasing a sun that keeps slipping away. The ground beneath me is soaked in pain, but still I dream. I set fire to the rain, set fire, set fire. laughter heals sorrow, her mercy ends pain. She is light, she is shadow, she's the truth in between, the mother of all things, the eternal unseen. God is a woman, her love is divine. She moves like the river, she bends space and time. God is a woman, hear her heart shine. She's the beat in my chest, she's the holy The sun sinks low behind the hills. A whisper calls the evening still. One last time, I feel the glow. The ocean hums, the tides align. I hear the rhythm so divine. One last time, I let it flow. One last time, we rise, we shine. One last time, your hand in mine. One last time, we break the chain. One last time, no more pain. The breeze it speaks, it tells a tale of hearts unbroken, never frail. One last time, I breathe it in. The stars they dance, they light the way. A promise of a brighter day. One last time, we'll begin. Let the echo fade. know it's real. The sun is heavy, it bends the trees. The river whispers through the leaves. I hear a call I can't resist, a rhythm deeper than my fist. Let me live, let me breathe. Let me rise like the sea. Let me stand. Let me give. All I ask is let me The soil is singing under my feet. Roots entwine where hearts meet. Echoes rise from earth and sky. Don't ask me how, don't ask me why. Freedom's voice, a sacred tune. secret well. Rumor has it they don't know. Rumor has it starts to grow. Whispers rising, let it go. A shadow falls where the sunlight bends. Stories start, but they never end. They plant the seed, the roots go deep, but the truth is wide awake. It never sleeps. Round and round, the circle spins. What you lose, someone else wins. Rumor has it they don't know. Rumor has it starts to grow. Whispers rising, let it go. What's the sound behind the hill? Is it love or just the thrill? What you hear might not be real, but the heart will always heavy hearts can sink the boat, but the tide will always flow. The weight of yesterday, let it go. Hear the river hum. It's calling everyone. Water under the bridge, my friend. Flowing, flowing away. Wash the sorrow, let it mend. Oh, shadows fade in the morning light, lost in the current out of sight. Every tear becomes a drop of mine. Feel the rhythm sway. They pull me deep within. The clock ticks sideways. Time don't play fair. Every breath feels heavy. Electric in the air. Psycho mode. Psycho mode. Can't break free. The rhythm's taking over. It's swallowing me. Psycho mode. I dance alone. Spirits call my name through the undertone. Mirrors cracked reflection. It shows 1,000 eyes. The world is upside down, where truth becomes disguise. But in the chaos rising, a heartbeat calls me near. A light breaks through the madness, a voice I need to hear. Can I fight the fire burning in my soul, or let the flames consume, make the broken whole? Psycho mode, psycho mode, can break free. The rhythm's taking over, it's swallowing me. Psycho mode, I dance alone. Spirits call my name through the undertone. Echoes ride the wind, whispers turn to shouts. Drums beat in my chest, no room for any doubt. The roots dig deeper, my spirit starts to rise. Through the psycho madness, I finally realize. The night hums low like a whispered prayer. Moonlight spills in the heavy air. The stars blink slow like they just don't care. I sit and wait, my soul laid bare. Come over. Come over, let your love take cover. Come over, under the sky we'll discover. the shadows yawn. Life moves slow, then it's suddenly gone. The graves hold stories, the vine holds time. I sip wisdom in every line. One sip for the pain, one sip for the fire, one for the dreams, one for desire. I drink wine, oh sweet divine. Let it flow, let it shine through the heart, through the mind. I drink wine, I drink wine. The bottle's a prophet, the cork is the seal. Every drop teaches me how to feel. Truth in the red, peace in the white, love in the gold under soft candlelight. By the river Lee, I stand so still. Whispers of the water bend my will. Roots go deep where the soul can't see. Time flows backwards in the river Lee. Oh, river Lee, take me like the breeze on a summer shore, soft but steady, I can't ignore. He's got no gold, no fancy clothes, but he's richer than the kings of old. His heart's a rhythm, a beating drum. I feel it echo. The time has come. Boyfriend material, stitched so fine, woven with love, one of a kind. Boyfriend material, strong and true. Every thread pulls me closer to you. they